Hey guys, this is Devin Weston's Vacuums and Video Gaming channel here. Um, Sorry about that. I got the cat litter in between this and this carpet cleaner and my Dyson, but I'll be doing a deep clean video coming out on this how to clean your Dyson, so stay tuned for that. And I'll be doing a deep clean so I can be using this carpet cleaner I bought for my Christmas money. I bought a brand new carpet cleaner. It's a Hoover power scrub with a spin scrub on it. So the spin scrub technology, Hoover, it's the newer generation, not the older generation. Stay tuned, I'll be uploading this. I'll be uploading that video coming up here real soon. And I'll be doing a video with these with this hose and stuff as well. So yeah, stay tuned. Y'all have a good one.